If you plan on spending quality time grilling this summer, it might be the right time to consider upgrading your wares or investing in a new model. Let's get started. Number 1. George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Barbecue Grill. This circular grill is large enough to make food for 15 people at once. This George Foreman electric grill can be used indoors and outdoors and features a removable stand, so it can be used on a countertop or freestanding as your space demands. This all-electric grill features adjustable temperature control and a tough non-stick coating on the grill itself, which translates to even, precise cooking and remarkably easy cleanup. Requiring no charcoal, matches, or gas for fuel, this electric grill can be used anywhere at a moment's notice. It's a great choice for small apartments, outdoor parties, or barbecues happening indoors due to inclement weather. Number 2. Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. If you've ever wished you could bring a gourmet grill with you on the road, the team behind the Coleman Road Trip Propane Grill has risen to the occasion with this high-performance, versatile portable grill. With a propane grill featuring 3 individually controlled temperature zones. This grill features fold-up legs and a frame that slides down into a compact carrying case for ultimate space-saving efficiency, making this grill a perfect choice for tiny balconies. It includes 2 swappable cooktops, so you have the option to do more than grill. Sautéing, searing is within reach with. Number 3. Char-Broil 4-Burner Stainless Steel Gas Grill. The Char-Broil Performance TRU Infrared 3-Burner Grill has ample cooking space with rust-resistant iron grates which heat evenly, sear meat and vegetables well, and remain easy to clean even after years of use. The propane gas grill also boasts a lidded 10,000 BTU side burner for preparing sauces or sides while grilling. The lid can be folded, offering incremental work or prep space. This Char-Broil's gas grill features true infrared technology which prevents flare-ups, ensures that your food will cook quickly and evenly, and has caramelization on all sides in a timely fashion. Number 4. Cuisinart CGG 888 Stainless Steel Grill. With a vented stainless steel lid that gives you the versatility to sear, roast, saute, steam, bake, and smoke, this full-service Cuisinart cooking center is an elevated alternative to Blackstone's iconic outdoor griddles. Its circular 22-inch flat top offers a generous 360 degrees of cooking space, and 2 designated heat zones provide consistent, even distribution for maximum efficiency. Surrounding the griddle, an oversized grease pan catches drippings and fallen food fragments, funneling them to a hidden rear-facing cup for easy cleanup. Also convenient, a folding prep table is great for pre-seasoning food before it goes on the grill. Number 5. Char-Broil Classic Series 3-Burner Gas Grill. Gas grills tend to be more expensive than their charcoal counterparts, but this one won't break the budget. It doesn't have some of the bells and whistles you'll find on more expensive models, but it still does a great job grilling steaks and burgers, with plenty of space for more. It offers 360 square inches of primary grilling space on the porcelain-coated grates, along with 170 square inches on the handy swing-away warming rack that can keep finished foods at serving temperature. This grill has 3 burners and offers low and slow cooking for perfect barbecue ribs. Number 6. Weber 540600001Q2200 Liquid Propane Grill. Despite being a tabletop model, the Weber Q2200 gas grill is every bit as powerful as a full-size model. This sturdy little grill boasts 280 square inches of cooking space across its cast iron grates, and its single burner delivers up to 12,000 BTUs per hour, more than enough for cooking hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, veggies, and more. It starts up quickly and easily. It comes with spacious side tables, which are large enough to hold a plate stacked high with food. And its durable construction is ideal for both taking on the road and whipping up dinner in your backyard.
Thanks for watching the video.